Martino.
And I'm Nancy's husband, Jim.
We have a just turned 4-year-old Vizsla named Augie.
His personality is wonderful. He gets along well with everyone.
He's friendly, he's energetic, he loves people, he loves other dogs. He's just a super guy. We love him to pieces.
As you can see, happy, healthy, energetic. And another thing about Vizslas, they hate to be ignored. It's part of the breed standard.
Well, we first found out about Dr. Harvey's because we had an experience with our first Vizsla, who was also a male. This dog was fed regular kibble, good brand of kibble, and we thought, of course, we're doing the right thing. Unfortunately, at about age 11, he developed a canine cancer called hemangiosarcoma. That was rough for Jim and rough for me, and we decided we're going to do things differently if we ever get another dog. I did some online research, and I found Dr. Harvey's Canine Health. Actually had a conversation with the good Dr. Harvey about his product, and we decided before we even brought Augie home to the house, before we brought him home as a puppy at 8 weeks old, that this is the food we wanted to feed him. First of all, it's human grade. It's all organic. You can see the vegetables in it, and he loves vegetables. So I feel good about the ingredients. That's important to me. All of his nutritional needs are met with the Canine Health.
No preservatives. There's no artificial ingredients. There's no fillers. And I think that really matters.
The result is a beautiful looking, almost champion show dog. Augie's on the road to becoming a champion, but he's a little more than halfway there. He has 9 points. He needs one more major win and a couple of 1 or 2 pointer shows. And I know that he's going to do it. Making Canine Health is probably the simplest thing you're going to do all day. Measure out the amount of premix, put a little water with it, good healthy oil with it, mix it up and put your protein in. It's a matter of minutes, and it's the easiest thing you'll ever cook up.
And it's a small price to pay to prepare a healthy, nutritious meal for your canine companion.
I suppose it's probably a little less effort to rip open a bag of kibble and dump it into the bowl.
Into a bowl.
But I would never do that again. I love the concept that I'm making a fresh meal for him, and you can see that it's fresh. Yeah, the meat that I buy, I choose for him, so I can be sure that I'm buying the best chicken I can afford for him, the best beef that I can afford, the best turkey, the best fish, and I control the protein. Everything else is, as they say, in the bag, so that's perfect. There's no problem with that.
And all those ingredients really factor into it, the well-being of his overall health and his athleticism. I think that really matters, and his energy level, and it really helps him. Everyone stops. First of all, they note how pretty he is, how handsome he is. His coat is very shiny. He's 4 years old. They automatically assume he's still a puppy. And we attribute that to the formulation and the food that we've been feeding him. All the natural ingredients, no preservatives, no fillers, and we really think that has helped to keep him lean and toned and athletic. And I think it really shows in his overall composition that he still looks like a puppy even though he's 4 years old. And we were laughing about it this morning. I said, boy, it's wonderful. Here I go again, I get to play, I get to eat healthy food. Life is good. So his personality shows that. He's a happy dog. Everybody says that when we meet them on the trails and we're walking them.
Tails up.
Tail is up, always wagging. And everybody always says, boy, look, this is a real happy dog.
I definitely feel like I'm doing a good thing. I feel like I'm doing the right thing. And I feel like I'm doing everything that I can do to keep this dog happy and healthy.